Guess what I got in the mail today? Oh, nice set of Carbies. And can you tell what they're for? Keep watching, you'll find out. Hello, welcome to the channel. That'll be the door shut. So, I've made a few changes, as you've maybe noticed. I've actually gave the channel a name now. It was always just Biker Dan. I've given it the name Therapy because anybody who rides a bike knows that riding a bike is like therapy. It makes you feel good. If you're stressed out or anything, throw your leg over the bike, go for a run, it clears the mind. It makes you feel good. That's why a lot of people do vlogs when they're riding. You know, they feel really relaxed, they can think about things. So for me, I've decided to call mine Therapy because riding bikes and my whole channel is therapy for me. I don't know, probably a lot of you won't know much about me, but yeah, I've been through a lot. The past job I just had, it was getting a wee bit stressful, and I've just stood back from everything, just to get away from it. I'm suffering a bit of anxiety and things like that, and it's a wee bit worse than that. Anyway, I'm not going to go into that, but for me, this is my therapy. Riding bikes, fixing bikes, servicing bikes, restoring bikes. To me, it's all therapy. I can work away out here on my own, nobody to bother me, and I feel great. And the wee bit of interaction I have on YouTube with some of you guys, that's probably the only interaction I get these days, apart from my kids and my son-in-law, both son-in-laws. Yeah, it's the only interaction I get. I've just sort of shied away from everything. I don't know if it's an age thing. A lot of people, when they hit over 60, they start to do their own thing. I don't know. Anyway, so I've decided my channel's going to be called Therapy because that's what it is for me. And I know some of you guys like watching the videos, and it's a wee bit like therapy for yourself as well, watching somebody messing up. Nah, it's not all messing up. But yeah, so I thought I would just let you know about that. What else is happening? Well, with the Christmas holidays, I've not really been doing much, so I'll give you a wee bit rundown and everything. So if we go over here, you'll remember this is the GPX 250. Got another bench. The GPX 250. This is the one I had bothered with the carbs on. And to be honest with you, the carbs on this, or the carbies as my brother likes to call them. The carbs on this they're buggered. What's happened is Rusty Waters went in it, and it's just, yeah, I couldn't even get the idling jets out, so I decided, you know what, I'll just get a set of carbs. So I've got a set of carbs for this. So my next video, I'm going to be putting the carbs on this, trying to get her running. Once she's running, then I can get the rest of the bike done up and get the side panels or the fairings put back together. There's a wee bit gluing needing done as well. The tank's fine, needs a good polish up. I took the caulk and everything off it. It was choked with rusty water as well, so I'd kind of seized, but that's fixed now. So that's going to be probably the next one, get that finished. Still got the ZZR. A ZZR again, this is a long-term restoration, I ain't in no rush. Oh, I forgot to say, on this one I've done the clutch basket. On that one I'll probably do the clutch basket as well because it's knocking at low revs. So the ZZR's restoration, the phaser, FZ6. This is going to be another one I'll need to get finished. I'm actually dying to ride this. I've got a nice set of indicators to put on here, so I'll need to take the headlight back off. I'll need to sort this brake lever out. This is all burst in here. So I'll need to get a new one of them, get it wired up, get the brakes all bled on it, get the wee side panels sorted. This back bit here, it's got a grab rail, and the grab rail on this side's been smashed off. I've actually got a whole new section for this, and an indicator for here as well. So that's one. Oh, and new foot pegs. I was moving it the other day and I just realised it's not got a foot peg on that side because it was broken. So I've got new foot pegs for it lying up over there. There's the wee back bit I got for it, the new grab rail. So it's silver. I'll probably have to get a wee quick rub down and a spray paint just to make it the same as the other one. This is the fairings I've got that I need to fix. This is for the GPX 250. Now this one, I got all this done. This is ready to go for a roadie. It's actually, I can sell it now. The only thing is this. You can see where it had the crack in the guard. So I've repaired that with plastic weld. That's not going to come off, but it still looks terrible. So what I'm going to do is just rub a bit of filler on it and then just give it a quick sand on the line and just paint that wee bit just to tidy it up. But yeah, she's about ready for selling now. The scooter, still got the mud guard to do. It's getting bloody scraped again. I don't know. I'm not having much luck, but I'll get this scooter done. I'll get it sold and say goodbye to it. Now, KTM 1290 super bike. Love using this bike. I've got it on charger at the moment. It's actually charged, so it's just in storage mode. Just giving it a wee trickle, enough to keep it topped up when it needs it. So I've got a new set of tyres front and back. They need to go on. New discs for the front because these floating discs are floating, as you can see. So I've got new discs for the front, new pads front, new pads back. And it's due, it's 40,000k service. So that'll get done. The gold wing, well, there's not much really to do with the gold wing, it's running fine. I need to have a wee look at the front bearing though, because I noticed wee bits of, I don't know, marks on the rim, like, you know, when you get grease out of bearing. I don't know if you can see it there, but anyway, I'll need to get that up on the hoist and just check her over, check the wheel bearings and everything. But she's, yeah, she's running alright. She's needing a good clean. She's been sitting for a wee while, all dusty. I did the Jeep the other day, so actually before I went to Tasmania, so it's had a service. So that's really it. That's it up to date. I'm not doing much just now with it being the holidays, and I'm not really feeling like doing much. So yeah, so I thought I'd make this wee video just so you see what I'm up to, just in case any of you were worried that I disappeared. But nah, I'm still here. Yeah, so that's about it. Anyway, I'm going in, I'm going to make something to eat, I'm going to put my feet up, have a cup of coffee, and the next video I should be putting these new carbs on the GPX and getting her running, and then I can get the fairings all put together and get it done, and I might just send that away for a roadie just to get her done and out the road. She's not worth a lot of money, but it's kept me busy. Part of my therapy, I suppose. So anyway, I hope you have all had a good Christmas, and I hope New Year's good to you all, and I'll probably see you round about New Year time. Anyway, catch you later. Take care. Bye.